Last meeting for the integrating factor, we have by substitution. So integrating factor by substitution method, the differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 may not be possible to solve by any of the previous method. So may mga given DE na hindi natin kayang isolve gamit yung mga ibang mga method na na-discuss natin. No, napakarami nun. Dito pala sa integrating factor ay pang-5 na ito. So, doon pa sa iba, A, B, C, D, E, tama. Mga tapos tatlo pa. Ano yung tatlo? Yung variable separable, homogeneous, at saka yung substitution. So, ang dami na, di ba? So, but the solvable by substitution approach. So, this is our topic for today and our last topic for the methods for solving DE of order 1 or first order DE. So, this is done by changing variables to transform the DE into a type which we know how to solve. So, papalitan natin ng ibang variable yung given DE at mag-arrive tayo sa problem na alam natin kung paano i-solve na way. The substitution will be an appropriate method if we choose certain expression to represent as u in the change of variables. So, yung papalitan nating variable ay u, no? Yung u ang ipapalit nating variable. Then, its differential du must also be present. So, dapat yung du din ay present din doon sa problem para ma-reduce the equation to a known method. So, for example, number 1. So, dy over dx equals quantity 9x plus 4y plus 1 quantity square. So, from here, obvious naman na ang ating u ay 9x plus 4y plus 1. So, ano ang du dyan? Du is equal to 9dx plus 4 dy. Then the differential of a constant 1 is equal to 0. So, next thing to do is solve for dy, no? Kasi nandyan yan dy. So, dy is equal to du minus 9 dx all over 4. And then, isa-substitute natin sa given. So, sa given, dy is equal to 9x plus 4y plus 1 quantity square dx. So, pinultiply ko to doon. So, our dy is du minus 9x minus 9 dx over 4 is equal to tama. Okay, yan yung ating dy. And then, I have here now u square and then dx. Paano nangyari yun? So, yung dy, ito yon, ito na. And then, ito ay u. And then, dx. So, cross multiply again. Du minus 9 dx is equal to 4u square dx. And then, pagsamahin natin lahat sa isang side ang dx. Okay? Or, factor out natin ang dx. 9 plus 4u square and then dx. Inuna ko lang yung number na 9, pero ganun din yun, di ba? And now, this is variable separable. So, yun ang method na alam natin. So, pag nag-variable separable na, so, i-divide natin to lahat by, yun lang, 9 plus 4u square. So, ang mangyayari dyan, du all over 9 plus 4u square is equal to dx na lang. Okay? And then, integrate natin. So, ito, walang problema. X ang sagot dyan. How about the left side? So, this is will be 1 all over a arctan of u all over a plus c. Whereas our a square is equal to 9, a is equal to 3, u square is equal to 4u square, and u is equal to 2u. So, ang answer natin sa left side is 1 all over 3 arctan u all over 3. And then equals x for the integral of dx plus c. Since wala naman lumabas na ln, c lang siya. So, kapag multiply ko sa 3 ito, I have now arctan of 2u over 3 equals 3 times x plus c. Okay? So, pwede na tayo mag-final answer. Arctan of 2, what is u? U is 9x plus 4y plus 1 all over 3 equals 3 multiplied by x plus c. Okay? So, yan yung ating final answer for example number 1 by substitution approach. Example number 2. X plus 2y minus 1 multiplied by dx plus 2x plus 4y minus 3 multiplied by dy is equal to 0. So, sa unang tingin, parang pwede nating isolve ng ng two equation in two unknowns. Pero parallel lines yan, guys. So, pag pinapactor out ko yung 2 dito, x plus 2y pa rin yun. So, obviously, ang magiging u natin dito ay x plus 2y. Pero before we do that, x plus 2y minus 1 dx plus papactor out ko yung 2, then magiging x plus 2y and then minus 3 dy equals 0. Okay? So, dito lang ako nag-factor kaya meron akong doon, grouping symbol. So, let u is equal to x plus 2y such that du is equal to dx plus 2 dy. Now, to solve for dx, kasi may dx tayo dito, that is du minus 2 dy. Okay? So now, substitute natin sa dito. So, I have now u for x plus 2y minus 1 and then dx plus 2 u, okay, minus 3 for dy. Oh, pero yung dx nga pala, substitute natin. Ano yung dx? Ang dx ay du minus 2 dy. Okay? U minus 1 and then 4 dx plus 2 and then u minus 3 dy. Okay yun? So, kahit na ito na lang grouping symbol natin is equal to 0. So, next thing to do is multiply. So, u du minus du and then minus 2u dy plus 2 dy. Ulitin. U du minus du minus 2u dy plus 2 dy. And then plus 2u dy minus 3 dy equals 0. So now, pwede natin itong cancelin. Saka ito ay negative dy na lang. So kung ibabalik ko ulit sa u minus 1 and then du, para doon, para magkasama lang yung du. And then sa dy na lang, natira? Minus dy is equal to 0. Okay? So, binalik ulit, para yung du na lang yung makikita natin, and then cancel na to, or 0. And then this is minus dy is equal to 0. So, here, the integral of u minus 1 du minus integral of dy is equal to integral of 0. So, ito ay power formula, no? So, u minus 1 square over 2 minus y is equal to c. or u minus 1 square equals 2 and then c plus y. Bakit gano'n? Ito, pag tinranspose ko, kahit hindi ko pa minumultiply sa 2 yan, c plus y na yan. So, nung multiply ko sa 2, ganyan na nangyari. And then, substitute natin yung u. Ano yung u? X plus 2y. So, I have now x plus 2y for u minus 1 quantity square is equal to 2 and then multiply by c plus y. So, minsan ginagawa kong ganito, di ba? C equal to c plus 2y. Okay din yun kasi yung 2c at saka yung c, yun na rin yan, ano? Pwede yan, walang problema. So, box your final answer. That is example number 2. Example number 3. Negative sin y multiplied by x plus sin y dx plus 2x square cosine y dy is equal to 0. Sa unang tingin parang mahirap, ano? Kasi may mga may mga angle na ganyan, sin, cosine, yari na. Saka baka sabihin nyo, ba't ang dadali ng example ni Sir? Siyempre, kumbaga, example para mas maintindihan. Kasi kung ang example ay mahirap, baka lalong hindi maintindihan. At bakit naman ang hirap naman ng mga quiz ni Sir? Siyempre din, kasi online You have all the references, you have all the resources. Kasi sa normal classes, yan ay isang oras at kalahati lang na pinapa-quiz. Mga 5 na problem. Yan, 2 lang. 2 araw nyo pang isosolve or 48 hours, di ba? Sa ibang teacher, baka yan ay close notes pa, no? Kaya, nasa inyo na lahat yung pabor niyan, guys, ano? So, since existing yung sine at saka cosine, so, gamit tayo ng variable na u is equal to sin y such that du is equal to cosine y dy. Okay, yun yun, ano? Du na yan. So, pag nag-substitute tayo sa original equation, negative u and then x plus u dx plus 2x square and then the cosine y is du. That is equal to 0. So, this is now homogeneous equation. So, let u uli, let x is equal to v y. Diba? So, let x is equal to vy. Huwag ng u kasi may u na dun diba? Or u pala, sa u. Dahil mas madali du. Dito, pagka x, matagal. So, dito na lang. U is equal to vy. Dapat present yung isa, no? Present yung isang variable. So, tingnan natin. Pagka nagkamali tayo dyan, u is equal to vx. Okay, dapat present yung isang variable. Okay? Kasi ako din mismo, guys, hindi ko kabisado yan ha. So, kumbaga, inaaral ko din muna bago ko ituro sa inyo. Okay? Kaya kayo, aralin nyo din. Mag-aral din kayo. Mahirap talaga guys. Yung mga prop naman na ang turo ay dire-diretso, kabisado na nila yun tayo, nagtuturo tayo ng physics, ng ibang mathematics, tsaka i-subject, no? So, for du, that is b dx plus x dv. Okay? Ang mahirap, yung nagsusolve ako dito, nakatingin ako ganyan, tsaka ako sinusulat. Yun ang mahirap, guys, di ba? So, pag medyo alanganin ako, ipopost ko, titingnan ko, gano'n. Pagka nagkamali, di burahin, gano'n lang naman So, saan natin siya substitute yan? Dito, no? Okay. So, negative vx and then x plus vx dx plus 2x square. Our du is b dx plus x dv. Okay? Equals to 0. So, I have negative v x squared dx minus v squared x squared dx. Okay? plus 2v x square. Kasi una naman yung v bago x, di ba? Wx, vwx. So, kaya una yung v. Ganon. dx plus 2x cube dv is equal to 0. Ulitin. So, 2vx square and then plus 2x cube dv is equal to 0. Ano pwede natin i-ano dyan? Pagsamahin. Ito, di ba? So, ilan ang matitira? Isa na lang. So, I have na 1v x square dx minus v square x square dx plus 2x cube dv. So, itong dalawa, hindi nagalaw yan. Ito yan. Ito lang pinagsama. Yun. And then, i-divide ko ng ano common? X square. So, ano matitira? V dx minus v square dx plus 2x dv equals to 0. Okay? So, now, I have now factor out v and then dx. So, ano matitira? 1 minus v. Okay? Plus 2x dv. So, this is now equals to 0 and that is variable separable. So, tingnan nyo, no? Kaya dugtong-dugtong yan eh. So, I will divide this by v, 1 minus v, nagpapagulo, at saka x. So, ano matitira? Dapat nga, pinapakita niya ganun na nagka-cancel kayo, di ba? So, dx over x for first term, and then plus 2 dv over v multiplied by 1 minus v is equal to 0. And then, pag in-integrate ko yan, yan ang nawawala eh. Di ba? Imagine, wala integration, sagot agad. Paano nangyari yon? So, walang problema. ln x, ln c. So, ito ay by parts. So, pagka by parts, yung nalang na 2 all over v, 1 minus v is equal to a over v plus b, 1 minus v. So, 2 equals a, 1 minus v plus b, v. If v is equal to 0, so, solve a. b ay 0 na. So, 2a, 1 minus 0 is 1, and then plus b. So, a is equal to 2. Okay? And then, if v is equal to negative 1, ano magsi-0? A. Solve natin ang b. So, 2 equals 0 ang a, and then b times 1. Negative 1. So, b is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, b is equal to negative 2. So, check natin. Pause ko muna para hindi tayo lumala. Oh, kita na. So, hindi dapat negative 1, kundi 1 lang. Kasi pag negative 1, magiging 2 yan. Ano? So, dapat 1 lang. So, kung 1 ito at 1 ito, dapat ito ay 2 din. Tama. Okay. So, continue. Kaya pag medyo alanganin ako, po-pause ko. Tapos, balikan yung problem. Ganyan. Okay. Next. Huwag mo ibabox yan, hindi yung sagot ha. Yan yung mga answer para sa coefficients. So, ito ay the integral of dx over x plus ito mismo ay integral ng a all over v plus the integral of v all over, substitute na natin, 2 and then dv plus 2 para sa b and then dv all over 1 minus v para dun yun equals to integral of 0. So I have here now ln of x plus 2 ln v minus, bakit minus? Kasi yon, di ba? Ang u natin ay 1 minus v, ang du ay negative dv, kaya minus. So 2 ln 1 minus v is is equal to ln of c. So, ln x plus v, no, x multiply, sige, pakita lahat, okay. So, ln x plus ln v square is equal to ln of c plus 2 ln 1 minus v. So, ln of x and then plus v square is equal to ln, multiply siya, no? Multiply, okay, not plus. So, ln v square, okay? And then, ln c times, this is 1 minus v and then square, okay? Bakit naging v square? Kasi, yun, no? Pag nilagay doon, okay? So, lagyan ng grouping symbol, okay? So, pause ko muna ulit. Medyo alanganin, pero parang tama yan. So, tama. So, cancel ang ln. We have here now x v square is equal to c and then 1 minus v square. So, kaya lang, v is equal to what? Tingin doon, sa homo, u all over x. Okay? So, v is equal to u over x. So, I have here x, u square all over x square equal c. Then, 1 minus u square all over x square. Okay? Then, magiging ano yan? Cancel ang x, isa. So, u square over x is equal to c. Then, multiply x square. Then, x square minus u square. Okay? So, next, u square is equal to c, x. Ito, multiply ko doon. Then, x square minus u square all over x square. Again, cancel x. So, natira, u square is equal to c, x square minus u square all over x. And then, ito, multiply ko dito. So, I have here x, u square is equal to c multiply by x square minus u square. Okay, but what is u? U is equal to, doble-doble pala u, no? Hindi, okay lang. Doon yun, sa taas, sin y. So, I have here now, as final answer, x. Then, sin squared y. Ang sin squared y is equal to sin y and then square, ha? Okay, so this is what? U. Okay. Tapos, equal c. And then, x squared minus sin squared y. Okay? Ito yung ating final answer. Oh, grabe yan, ha? Okay? Imagine mo guys, maintindihan mo yan, Puro symbol, letters, no? Grabe. Engineering talaga. Our last example for integrating factor by substitution. So, let's read. 2y cubed minus x cubed multiplied by dx plus 3xy squared dy is equal to 0. So, particular solution ang hinahanap dito dahil mayroong given na initial value ng variable. If x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. So, here, mapapansin natin, y squared dy and then y cubed. So, let u is equal to y cubed such that du is equal to 3y squared dy. So, I have here 2u minus x cubed multiplied by dx plus we have x and then for 3y squared dy is du. X du is equal to 0. So, 2u dx minus x cubed dx plus x du is equal to 0. If I will divide this by x, so 2u dx over x minus x squared dx plus du is equal to 0. Arrange natin, or du over dx, or du, sige, du plus 2u dx over x minus equals x squared dx, or du over dx plus 2u over x is equal to x squared. So this is now linear in u. Imagine mo, no? Kanina, by substitution, lumalabas sa homogeneous, then variable separable. So ngayon, lumalabas din yung linear equation by substitution. So, y, pinasa gitna, as a y as a function of x is equal to 2 all over x, or function of x is yung nasa gitna is 2 over x regardless of u. So, such that e raised to the integral of 2 all over x dx is equal to e 2 ln of x. And that is e ln of x squared. So, cancel. That is x squared. So, this is our multiplier. So, saan natin mo multiply? Dito. So, x squared du plus 2u dx. Kaya lang, ano ba yung u? Ang u ay y cube. So, y cube dx. Tama ba yun? Hindi, multiply pa yung 2, and then multiply nga yung x squared, tapos y cube. Kailangan ba? Hindi muna, no? Okay. So, u lang muna. Ano ba na una? X or u? Kahit ano, sige. u, v, w, x. Okay, u. 2u, and then x squared. 2u x squared. All over, ano siya? Dito, x. Okay? And then, dx. Tama ba? Ulitin. So, x squared du, 2u, tapos, multiply nga yung x squared over x, tapos dx is equal to x to the 4th dx. And then, integrate natin the integral of, bakit du pa rin yun? Bakit du pa rin? Bakit du pa rin ang x squared du? Okay, sige lang. So, the integral of x squared, hindi pa. Okay. So, x squared du, and then plus, ano natin dyan? 2ux, then dx is equal to x to the 4th dx. Okay. So, ito ay derivative of x squared and then u. So, x squared du plus 2x dx times u. Okay. So, equals x to the 4th dx. And then, integrate. So, mangyayari ay cancel ang integrate sa differential. So, x squared u is equal to x to the 5th all over 5. Then, plus c. Or 5 x squared u is equal to x raised to 5th plus c. Or c is equal to 5x squared u minus x raised to 5th. And equals to 5, 1 square. What is u? U is y cube. Puro naman 1 lahat yan. So, 1 cube. Okay? Minus x raised to 5th. So, 1 raised to 5th. So, this is 5 times 1 times 1 is 5 minus 1. So, that is equal to 4. So, this is the value of c. C is equal to 4. Okay? Huwag mo ibabox. Hindi yan ang answer. C pa lang yan. So, ang ating pinaka-general solution ay ito. Okay? So, from here, 5 x square. And then what is u? U is y cube minus x raised to 5 is equal to 4. Okay, ulitin. 5x square and then u is y cube and then minus x raised to 5 is equal to 4 constant. Or 5x square y cube is equal to 4 plus x raised to 5. So, isa lang yan guys, ano? So, yan yung ating integrating factor by substitution. And then natapos na tayo sa solving differential equation of order 1. So, pupunta na tayo sa next meeting sa application of DE of order 1. So, that's it.